new update, of course. Like, it's been like 1 day before the updates I come to. I don't know. Like, I don't know. Okay, so I already unlocked the Osprey. Also, the eagle's wings are updated. Look at it, so cool. Anyways, this is the Osprey. It is very cool. And let's start. Of course. Yay, yay, yay. Please don't be nice. Please don't be nice. If you love me, please don't be. Yes! Okay, there's literally one server that is not night. Okay? Well, don't glitch, please. Okay. If it's glitched there, I will be very sad because I'm literally making a video. Okay, let's show you the bird. Okay, so this is the call. Wait a second. Yes, he's cute. I love it. This is it. It's like it looks like a monster. Look at the mouth. What will I do inside of your soul? This is eating is like, oh no. Also, ospreys can do one of their legs. Wait a second. So, ospreys can do this leg over there, and then it looks like one is only at the only one is at the back, which is very cool. Okay, this is hurt eyes. Let's grow up. Of course, keep colors. Yay. Okay, this is crawl. This is eating is thing, leg. I also like the legs, you see that detail right over there? Shiny did a very good detail at this because I liked like look at his eyes, like happy. Okay, so this is hurt. That's weird. This is the display. It's like this. I am coming for you, and I'm also opening my mouth, and my eyes look stupid. Anyways, this is the pren. It's like eating his wings or something. That's scary. This is eyes. So this is the fly. Is actually really cool. And wait, oh yeah. When it's like falling down, if you don't realize it, it's making his leg go at its front, which is it looks like it's trying to catch a fish or something, because it's actually very cool. Yeah, you see that right over there? That's cool. Okay, how to make this land. Good. And oh my, what is just happening? Wow, I don't know what I'm doing. My internet is dying right now. Where am I? Oh, I think this is the place where I make the Hotzin updates. So I just give 100 out of 10 to this bird because it's like cool. But like I don't know. Like everything's cool at this bird. Like everything's cool, but that tail doesn't really match to the wings, so like I don't know. But it's still very cool. I like this very much. And I like it, you know what I'm saying. Anyways, bye bye guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye bye.